Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for the ones who don't know me, my name is Maria and we're reviewing here different products from different stores, supermarkets, brands, etc. And today we're going to be having everyone's favorite Primark haul. Oh my god guys, I can't express how much I love Primark, how much I love their home products, and every time I need stuff for my home, this is definitely would be one of the top places I would go to. And today we're gonna be doing my latest winter purchases for the home. Includes everything in this case: homeware, home outfits, bedrooms, everything. And let's start with the products that I've got for myself. The home outfit that I really like. Currently, the sweatpants and the sweatshirts are number one. I would say pretty much one of the top products, one of the top homewares on my list, and this is definitely awesome homeware, such as 100% cotton, super soft, fluffy inside sweatpants, and a sweatshirt with a hoodie. So basically a hoodie, a sweatshirt with a hood, and I took both in size large, in color dark burgundy, or I would say something like this beautiful burgundy color. Next one would be socks, and here I got plenty of cozy homeware socks, like this kind. Pretty cool, just black one and white and blue, very kind of Christmassy, like cozy socks from Primark, and each of them were only $2.50. Then I got myself a set of socks, which already kind of fell apart since I took a few pairs out. Again, for 5 pairs only $3.50 is a super fantastic deal. And of course, apart from the homeware, the socks and everything, we gonna need the new home slippers. And those home slippers are really nice. They have it in different colors. I think the beige, the brown, dark burgundy, pretty much the same color as the outfit I just showed you before. And this item were only €5. Super comfy, great. I love my previous home slippers are from Primark as well, but they kind of died. I bought them last year, so this is gonna be a great new slippers for home. And of course, if we're talking about home and staying at home, being cozy, I got this long sleeve pajama set. I really liked the other one, but it had short sleeve, and I decided, okay, in the apartment it's pretty cold at night, so I probably would need a longer sleeve. This color is still kind of nice, like little rainbows. The gray pants with little rainbows, and like salmon-y color short with long sleeve. We have more here. Of course, what are we gonna do if we're not gonna get a new throw from Primark? That's gonna be my new throw. I already had one, but it looks kind of old. I use it for my workroom, and it's kind of getting old, so I decided to have it to get it a new friend and got another throw. And this throw was only €20, and I'm gonna already put it on my chair because it looks beautiful and gorgeous. Next things that I've got is the socks for my boyfriend, and it was really awesome because as well it's like 7 pairs for €7. So simple dark black cotton socks, again a must, definitely must. If we're gonna be talking more about things for the house, I got those really nice scented room sachets in the color Sweet Jasmine. This time it was a lot of different sachets in there and different smells, but I didn't like particular any of them. The previous season, like the one that was in spring, I kind of fancied it much more. So from all of the ones that I had in the shop, I only got Sweet Jasmine because it's the one that I liked the most. As well, of course, if you know, now I'm making more makeup videos. And by the way, if you want to know how to do this makeup, if you want to check it out, what products I use, just click on the link right here. And talking about the makeups, I got myself a new blender sponges, because it's always you need more blender sponges, and those, like the pair of two quite big ones, was on 180. Guys, the price is great, really good price. Now, if we're talking about more home products, I've got, every time I go to Primark, I have to get their room diffuser. Their diffusers are fantastic and super awesome, although they never last up to 8 weeks, but who cares? The smell, you can change the smells more often, and they don't get, and you don't get really tired of them. So yeah, this time I got two new ones, Sage and Cedarwood and Jasmine Musk. So it's gonna be my new one, goes to the bathroom, another one goes to the second bedroom. And one thing I noticed as well, that now they have kind of like this luxury home products, let's say it. And I got myself a retreat products which smell great. They kind of give me this kind of hammam vibe and smell, and it says that it's blush jasmine and contains essential oil, and the actual candle is soy wax blend. The smell is fantastic. And another one is blush jasmine contains essential oil room diffuser. I'm gonna be using probably both of them for my bathroom while taking a bath, lighting this candle and smelling this really nice retreat room diffuser. Of course, in the addition to the previously mentioned makeup things, now I have to use much more wipes than before for the swatching, for everything in general speaking, just for removing makeup quickly. It's my favorite kind of things to do it with their wipes from Primark. I have never seen this one before. This one is hydrating vibes. What I like about Primark, that they're trying to be very sustainable, and this one is biodegradable hydrating wipes from Primark. Coming back to our home kind of things, I definitely needed more candles, and this time I got the candles like Oriental Orchid. Oh my god, it smells so good. Now I'm thinking I should have gotten two of them. So the Oriental Orchid was only €1. Then I got those beautiful ones like Tropical Pink and Lemon Zest. Each of them was $1.50. Oh my god, lemon zest smelled like lemon with sugar. Amazing, fantastic smell. And Tropical Pink, I already had the room diffuser with the same smell. It's very sweet, nice. And I don't know why it reminds me of the time when I spent in US. When you go to Yankees candle, I don't know, it has this kind of smell, so that's what it reminds me of. Definitely $1.50 is a great deal for such beautiful candles. And as comparing to the ones, for example, the retreat one, the big candle was €5 and the room diffuser was €5 as well, compared to $3.50 of the other room diffusers, and compared to their bigger candles, which is like usually €2-3 max. The retreat one was €5 because it contains essential oils. Something else I've got there that you always need, especially now with the Christmas decorations and many lights are need batteries. So I got this pack of 10, which is you always need, and of course this really nice memory foam balls mat. I think it's my second in 2 years or something, exactly the same color. I mean, my previous one kind of ripped off on this side here, so I decided to get a new one. I already have this one in black as well, but I think this creamy one is really nice too. And two more things that I've got, it's their male pieces which really awesome, but my boyfriend already took it. I'm gonna put the link in here. Again, great quality. I took a size large for him, even though he usually wears M, just, you know, to be sure that nothing is pulling and nothing is like too striking or anything like this. And I got him exactly the same, very similar outfit to mine. Is like I got him 2 pairs, the one in black and the one in blue, and it's homeware, sweatpants and sweatshirt, and I'm gonna show it to you in a second. Like I said, I got him 2, one in black and one in blue. This is the blue one. This is the blue one. This is how the legs look like. And again, I took it in the size large, just to have it extra comfy. And this is the sweatshirt. I think mine was about 8 euros each piece, and his was about 6 or 7 euros each piece, which is super great again. The only thing in the male, it doesn't have the pockets in front, but again, still kind of fleece, very warm home outfits. This was my latest Primark haul. I got everything I needed for the house. I got as well kind of necessity for the house, like candles, like room diffusers, the bathroom carpets, and of course for us I got the pajamas, the homeware, the socks. That's the stuff pretty much that you need all the time, and Primark is totally great for that. Except the only thing that now, with the shops being able only to allow inside about 30% of the people, you have to wait outside about 45 minutes to 1 hour, something like this. Totally, so far I'm very happy with all the purchases I made. I think it's all the great products, and I'm gonna run out through them, I don't know, in about 5-6 months or something like this, and then I'm gonna have to go again and get more cool stuff for you, or maybe even before. Let me know, guys, if you would like to see another Primark video similar to this one, and what's your favorite product from Primark as well. I prepared a video for you about Primark, which has their, like, my top Primark favorites, pretty much the products that they produce here every season, and those products are definitely good products, and those products are definitely very popular, and quality price-wise are great. So yeah. So guys, thank you so much for watching again, and give this video a thumbs up, because I spent in the queue about an hour. So yeah, I definitely deserve a like from you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Of course, watch more of my videos. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day. Love you. Have a nice day. Ciao.